Alright guys, welcome to another amazing video. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to easily learn VLOOKUP in Excel. If you ever wanted to learn the most easiest, fastest way to do that, this video is right for you. So let's get right to it. So we'll go over to our data tab here, and this is all fictitious data. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna say, show me first, look at all the simple one, and then we'll see if we could build the complex one. So we'll put it ID here. So let's just say ID, this would be the lookup criteria. And then we'll put like a value, whatever found, whatever, let's just say found. So let's take a look at it, how you could do that. So what you can do is you can click on this FX button right here, and then this will come up. And then if you like, you could just literally search for VLOOKUP and then click on go, and then you will find it here. Click OK, and then you'll have this dialog box. So let's walk through it, what each of these terms mean and which one do you actually need to do and how you can perform your VLOOKUP. So the first value is whatever you want to find. So in this case, hypothetically speaking, I want to find in the ID column, which is column A, wherever the ID is number 1. So I'm going to type in number 1, and then the second criteria is where would I look for this particular ID. So in this case, what I want to do is I want to go from A column all the way up to G, and then that's that. And then what value or which column do you want me to return? That's what this colon index number means. So it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this case, what I want to do is I just want to say I want to return the value of 2. And then last but not least is the what criteria do you want me to do, which means do you want me to return the closest match or exact match. For the sake of this video tutorial, we'll just say show me the exact match. So what I will do is I'll just type in false, and as you can see, every time I click any one of these, you have a little hint of what it will do. So if I click on this, this, and that's that. So after you have filled up all of these, we're gonna click on OK, and then guess what happened? Even though I type a hard-coded number in here, it's going to give me that. So let's fix that, and then we'll just rearrange this right here. And then where it says here, we'll click on the FX. And then what I want to do is I want to say, hey, I don't want to just look for one number. I want users to type in whatever number they want to look up. And then based on that, it will give the name. So what you can do is this: select J1, and then you're gonna click OK. So right now, if this is blank, it's gonna show to say, hey, this is NA. So how we can fix that is this: we're gonna click in front of this, and then we're gonna use another function within Excel. It's called if error. All right, let's go here, if error. So in other words, if the result of this is error, then what do you want to do? I want to show absolutely nothing, just show empty. So now it looks like this is blank. So let's put in a value here, and we'll just say number 2, and then click out of it, and no, there we go. So we have here. So let's say hypothetically we want to find every time we enter ID, this is a name, and then we want to also get the email. So how do we do that? We follow the exact same formula. We'll paste it in here. The only difference will be where the index is. So I'll put it here. Where the index is, we're just going to change it to column number, let's say 1. 2, 3, and 4. And then we're gonna click OK. And then there is our email. So I'll just move it over here so you can see. So here it is. So let's test this out with the ID of 10. So here it is, and within a matter of no time, it will update it. So just to verify, so this is the name, row number this, ID number this is the name, this is the email address, and that's that. And this is literally the simplest, easiest way to use VLOOKUP. If you found this video helpful, do consider subscribing to the channel because I do create videos, technology-based video that will help you finish your projects a lot faster. I'll talk to you in the next video.